Fuck you too, you fucking cracker ass bitch.
Sister sucked and she started like she started calling me names and started harassing me.
Okay, when you say harassing you, what is she doing?
Like, I was just sitting in my room, she was telling me to pick up toys to clean up. After that, I did what she said and I went back into my room and then she kept calling me back and forth and like just kept like bullying me and calling me names.
Who all lives in this house?
Me, my mom, my niece, my nephew.
Okay, so sister doesn't live here at all?
She's just staying here because she doesn't have a place to go.
Okay. But she's got permission to stay here is more or less what I'm asking. Mom gives her permission to stay here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to talk to her and see kind of get her story, okay?
The call starts as a simple family dispute, but pay close attention to what happens next. What sounds like a routine argument quickly reveals something much deeper. Years of resentment, unresolved grief, and emotions boiling just beneath the surface. Sometimes the loudest person in the room isn't the most dangerous. They're the one carrying the most pain. But will officers be able to separate anger from actual criminal behavior?
Can I talk to you real quick?
For what, man?
I just have a question.
For what?
All I got is, whoa.
You put me in jail?
Knock it off.
You put me in jail, yo?
Knock it off!
You put me in jail, yo?
Go. Ain't nobody, there's nobody here trying to take you to jail. I'm just trying to talk to you.
That shit,
That's all it is. That's all it is. I'm just trying to talk to you. Knock it off.
You put me in jail, yo? You need to stop. You put me in jail, bitch!
56, can you 56 over here, please? Okay. Hey!
You, man!
Do you want to go inside? Do you want to go inside?
No, I'm pissed off!
Okay, you have every right to be pissed off. 23, 35,
I don't give
17.
a f*** about the police!
Listen, I'm just trying to talk to you.
I don't give a f***, I'm going to jail!
Who's saying that you're going to jail?
I'm
just trying to talk to you. I'm just trying to talk to you, but right now you're not making your situation any better. Knock it off. Let's go this way. Take a walk.
That bitch!
Take a walk. Take a walk or you will. Let's go.
That bitch is the mother.
I'm trying to talk to you right now. I'm not trying to talk to her. Knock it off.
That bitch.
Let's go over here.
Fucking alcoholic and she want a motherfucker.
Okay, I'm not here talking about her right now. I'm trying to talk to you. Knock it off.
I'm going to jail anyway, the wait.
Why do you say that? Why do you say that?
Her, man.
Okay, I'm trying to talk to you right now.
Her.
Okay, why?
Because she's a drunk ass bitch and she wants to
Who
make
are you
me.
talking to right now?
Yo,
who are you?
You know my brother, you know me, and
I don't know anybody right now. This is the first time I've ever been here. Who are you talking about?
Her. She's a
who? There's two girls over here.
Jacqueline Anderson.
Your mom?
Yes.
Okay, she's not even the one that called.
Fucking bitch.
Okay. What is going on? Why are we up here right now? Let's come down here. Let's have a conversation like civilized people. What is going on?
I'm going to jail any the.
Why do you say that?
I'm going to jail.
Is there a particular reason?
Stupid ass bitch.
Knock it off, man. What's your name? Let's start off right there. What's your name?
They know me.
I'm trying to ask you. I don't know you. What's your name?
Maeve. That shit, Maeve.
What is your name? Okay.
Fake ass bitch.
Okay. Can I talk to you, please?
Kerr, dog.
Okay. What's your name?
Kerr.
Okay. Is there a way that you'd be able to talk to me?
Stupid bitch.
Listen.
No, dog, I'm on my phone, I want my shit, I want my money, all that shit, dog.
Okay.
If I'm going to jail.
I'm trying to understand what's going on here. This is the first time.
Stupid bitch.
Hey. Well, okay, what's your name? Can we start there, please?
I don't give.
My name is.
You too.
Knock it off. My name.
Call y'all, man.
What is your
They
deal?
trying to put me in jail, dog.
No one's.
Call y'all.
Okay,
Man,
if you don't take it down, I'm going to end up having to detain you.
Notice how patient these officers remain despite the non-stop insults. Legally speaking, being rude, emotional, or even verbally abusive toward police isn't automatically a crime. The challenge for officers is determining whether they're dealing with a genuine threat, intoxication, mental distress, or simply someone having a complete emotional breakdown. Right now, they're gathering information instead of rushing to judgment.
To detain you, okay?
They always trying to put me in jail, dog.
I'm not trying to put you in jail right now.
I'm just about them.
Okay, can you tell me what is going on?
I'm going to jail anyway.
Why do you say that?
Because I already know.
Okay, what's your name? What's your name?
Man, damn.
What is it? What's her name?
Damn.
Caitlin. Okay. All right. Thank you. I at least got your name.
Man, them.
Why?
Because I'm always, dog. I've been here taking care of my
I'm
kids,
just
dog.
trying to understand what's going on.
Stupid ass bitch.
Why?
Dog.
Did you have history with her? This is the first time I've ever been out with her.
I'm tired of her. I'm fucking tired of her.
Relax.
Old bitch ass always trying to call the police on us. Straight the fuck up, you dumbass bitch. She always calling the police on
I'm
me.
trying to hear your side of what's
Because
going
she
on, but
always
right
calls
now
the
you're not helping your situation. So let's take it down.
I'm going to jail any
Let's have a
fuck way.
civilized conversation.
I'm going to jail anyway.
Why do you say that?
Because I already know, man.
You don't know. I'm trying to have a conversation to prevent that from happening.
Man, I'm going to jail anyway. She's a fucking piece of shit mother.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out what's going
We're
on.
clear on how you feel about her. Can you tell us what's going on, please? So we can understand and maybe help you? Please?
Y'all ain't finna help me. I'm finna go to jail.
Why would you be going to jail?
What you talking about? Don't fucking act like you care, dog, because I'm going to jail anyway.
What did you do? Because as far as we know, you haven't done anything wrong.
I'm out on bond. I'm
Okay.
out on shit like that. I'm already finna go to jail next week on fucking Thursday.
Oh.
I'm going to jail.
Okay, because the court is going
Yeah,
to
I'm
send you?
going to sentencing right now.
Okay.
Dog.
All right, well,
I'm tired of her bitch ass, man.
Caitlin, what's going on today, though? Why are we all pissed off right now?
She's a bitch.
Okay, what did she do today?
And she acts like she tries to put me and my brother in jail. You know my brother,
Yeah, I know your brother.
Like, she's a fucking alcoholic.
Okay, listen, I've known your mom for a long time.
Fucking alcoholic.
All right, well, I've known her for a long time, okay?
And you wonder why her motherfucking kids are motherfucking act like
Okay, let me ask you a question.
her son done died. Mm-hmm. And she acting like that, bitch. Fuck you.
Okay.
You said Caitlin. Caitlin, I'm actually not here in regards to your mother.
Me.
Are you arguing with your sister? You just have.
Done died. My brother done died.
Uh-huh.
And she.
Well, here comes the turning point. What initially looked like pure hostility suddenly transforms into something far more tragic. The mention of a deceased brother changes the entire context of this encounter. You can actually hear the emotional walls beginning to come down. Have you noticed how often anger is really just grief wearing a different mask?
Okay.
You know, Ian,
Yeah.
like, we go through shit because of her. Her, man. But the reason why my brother died is because of her. Yeah, I get mad because I hate her. I hate her.
But you're living under her roof, though. I mean,
Because is how the way she raised us. She raised us like, oh, I'm finna enable y'all. And I got used to that, you know? I got used to the enabling shit. Ian too, because she lets him come back.
And she let you come back, right?
Yeah.
So you got a place.
feel
You got a place to stay now, right?
you got someplace else to stay, or are you staying here now? Do you stay here? Do you live here? Do you live somewhere else, or do you stay somewhere
I
else?
come back and forth.
Okay.
Just the fact that she's over there acting like she's something fucking better than me. That shit, man.
I can tell you're hurt. You're angry. It's obvious. Okay.
For real, man.
I hear you. I hear you. I hear
She ain't
you.
never been no fucking mother to me.
I know.
dog.
I know you. I understand how you feel. Believe
You know,
me.
Ian, that's the reason why he's like that. It's because he done found my brother dead, dog.
You've
You
been,
know what I'm saying?
been drinking a little today.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. All right.
Because, like, I'm finna go to jail next week, and
Okay.
I'm fucking depressed. I'm sad. Like,
Right. I'm sure. I completely.
This is where good police communication becomes critical. Instead of escalating the situation, officers focus on listening. They're not arguing, threatening, or trying to win a debate. They're trying to understand what's driving the behavior. For a moment, it even seems like the conversation might end peacefully. But as we've seen countless times, emotions can change in seconds.
I completely understand.
And if y'all finna take me today, I'd rather just go.
Not Ian. The other one. The other one. Yeah.
Like, if I'm finna go to jail, I'd just let it go right now, you know?
Right. Well, unless there's a reason to take you, we're not taking you anywhere. We just want to see if there's a way we can find the peace between you
I
and
just
Jackie.
Wanna, like, I didn't do nothing, dog.
Okay, but obviously you guys have been fighting and arguing, and she's scared.
Why is that over here?
Oh, I don't know.
Her baby daddy.
Well, it's her house. I mean, she can have anybody she wants in this house.
I don't even have nobody to back me up.
Well, I'm here trying to help you however I
Let me
can.
ask you a question though. What's going on with you and your sister? That's honestly, that's truthfully the reason why
I
I'm
just
here.
asked her, you know, like, please come help me, you know, my child. And she's like acting like I'm being mean to her.
But you're her older
She's
sister.
not used to that. She's
Right,
not
you're
used
her
to,
older sister.
She's
You got
not
you.
used to like confrontation, and she be quick to like call somebody and be like, oh, she's being mean to me, and it's not even like that. I wasn't raised like that.
You're not threatening her, right? Obviously.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I just asked her to help me, you know, because
Okay.
I'm stressed the out, dog.
Okay. That's why I'm here. That's all I wanted you to tell me. I'm not here because of your mom. I'm here because your sister's got, she's in her feelings. She's thinking that you're being mean to her, and that's what we're trying to figure out, okay? I'm glad that we're able to come down here and have this conversation because, like my partner here said, we're not trying to take you anywhere. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
I'm going to jail next week, man.
Okay, but right now, today, I'm not trying to take you to jail, okay? I don't know whatever past history you've got, whatever the whole reason that you're saying you're going to jail on Thursday. I'm sorry to hear that, okay? But right now, I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to keep the peace here, find out what's going on, and then we can move forward.
I would just leave.
Okay, are you able to leave?
Yeah.
Okay, which one's your car?
I just wanted to just walk away.
Okay, so my question is though, is that if you're gonna leave, do you have things that you're gonna come back to? Are you returning back to this house later? We're trying to figure out here, because I don't want this to come back later and then we're back in the same spot. There's that. I can't help you with that
All
one.
right, Caitlin, you're
Yeah, I already
going.
know.
You're gonna go a week early.
Yeah.
You knew you were trespassing here. You're going next week anyway.
Everything changes here. The officers discover there's already a trespass warning in place. That means this is no longer just a family disagreement. There's now a legal issue that must be addressed. Once officers confirm someone is unlawfully remaining on property after a warning, their options become much more limited. The calm conversation is about to collide with legal reality.
Okay? It's not on them. You were trespassing already.
So am I being charged with
You're being charged with trespassing, yeah.
Trespass after warning.
When were you supposed to turn yourself in?
it? Next week.
Next week, Monday?
Thursday.
I got it.
Okay. So, she's gonna start yelling.
She's in the call already?
Yeah, she's loud.
Alright. Whoa. Hey, come on now.
Cut it out. Caitlin, cut it out.
Caitlin!
I'll pick you up if I have to go.
Bitch, I hate you! That's why Shane hit him, you dumb bitch!
Cut it out.
That's why Shane hit him, you dumb bitch!
Calm down.
Shane killed himself because of you, bitch! Shane killed himself because of you, bitch!
Cut it out. Cut it out.
Yo!
Caitlin, enough.
Pull my glasses up, yo.
Can you calm down?
You dumb bitch! You act like I care. I don't give a
Stop.
You act like it. Bitch, I don't care. I don't care.
Probably gonna tighten those.
You too, you cracker ass bitch. Bitch, you think I give a I don't give a Pull my glasses up, yo.
We'll put you in the car. We'll give you your glasses. Stop. They can't hear you. They're inside. They're inside. Stop. The other way.
Bitch!
You're not gonna spit on anyone.
You!
Stop.
Me, I'm for that. Bitch, it off! Bitch! Bitch! Are you made?
Listen, calm down. And don't kick me, because then you'll catch an extra charge.
I ain't that stupid bitch!
Alright, well then relax.
Leave me alone! You goddamn right, I'm pissed off, bitch! Bitch!
And this is exactly why officers repeatedly warn suspects to calm down during an arrest. Every threat, attempted kick, or act of aggression can create additional charges and make the situation worse. What began as a dispute inside a family home has now ended with disorderly conduct and aggravated menacing allegations. A powerful reminder that a few minutes of uncontrolled emotion can lead to consequences that last far longer.
Bitch! May God have mercy on mother.
I got a guard.
Bitch! I promise you,
Yeah, go right
I
back.
promise you, bitch.
I got one in my hand.
You think I give a
Nah. Caitlin, calm down.
give a fuck? You think I
Not right now.
You think I give a You think I give a I don't give a
You have one choice. It's either to calm down or these are going on your feet.
Bitch,
Listen, you're going to jail.
you.
Then this is going on your feet.
You. Yeah, you're mad, bitch. You're mad, huh? You're mad, bitch. I ain't mad, hoe. Bitch, you get wet off this shit, huh?
Stop.
You get wet off this
Stop.
shit, bitch. You getting wet off this shit, bitch.
Go ahead.
What you think you're doing, bitch? What you think you're doing,
Stop.
bitch?
Stop.
You think you're doing, bitch?
You gonna be able to get this? Huh?
You think you're doing, bitch?
For now? It's good for now. A little aggressive on the face movement, but I knew she was gonna spit.
Yeah, she was spit. No thanks, I'm married.
I do have a spitter, but I'm not reaching in there again. But, you know, they'll put her in the chair when we get out there.
Thank you. Start working your way out.